Have you ever felt that your Audi is capable of more, but you are not fully in control of how it delivers performance? Do you know that many advanced onboard strategies are already built into your Audi, yet most owners never use them correctly? And have you realized that these strategies can completely change how responsive your car feels, without touching the engine? In this episode, we move beyond basic settings and myths. We focus on advanced onboard strategies that Audi engineers designed for flexibility, control, and adaptability, but that are rarely explained to drivers. These are not hidden menus or illegal tweaks. They are proper ways of using the systems already present in your car. One of the most powerful strategies involves understanding how Audi combines drive modes with adaptive logic. Many drivers select a mode and assume the job is done. In reality, modes are only a starting point. The car continues to adapt within each mode based on how it is driven. This means that two drivers using the same mode can experience very different throttle response and transmission behavior. For example, using individual mode correctly requires consistency. Setting engine and transmission to dynamic while keeping steering and suspension in comfort is effective only if the driver reinforces this choice with appropriate inputs. Light throttle use combined with dynamic settings sends conflicting signals. The car responds by smoothing behavior again. Performance comes from alignment between settings and driving style. Another advanced strategy involves predictive systems. Many Audi models integrate navigation data, traffic awareness, and efficiency logic. When navigation is active, the car may anticipate speed limits, curves, and traffic flow. This influences throttle response and coasting behavior. If you want maximum direct control during spirited driving, disabling unnecessary navigation guidance can remove predictive filtering that softens response. Transmission control is another area where advanced strategy matters. Leaving the car permanently in full automatic mode limits driver influence. However, using manual gear selection occasionally, even for short periods, trains the transmission to recognize a preference for responsiveness. Holding gears slightly longer during acceleration and allowing controlled engine braking sends clear signals to adaptive logic. Before we continue, if you want to master your Audi instead of letting it decide everything for you, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This series is designed to give you real control over performance, not just impressions. Another overlooked strategy is managing start-stop behavior intelligently. Many drivers either disable it permanently or accept it blindly. Start-stop affects engine readiness and throttle consistency, especially in urban driving. Disabling it selectively in stop-and-go traffic reduces hesitation and improves predictability without sacrificing efficiency on longer drives. Climate and comfort systems also require strategy. Instead of running maximum settings constantly, using automatic modes allows the system to regulate load more efficiently. This reduces sudden power draw and keeps throttle response more consistent during acceleration. The key concept of this part is intentional use. Audi systems are designed to adapt, but they require clear and consistent input. Random use leads to random results. Strategic use leads to predictable performance. In the next part, we will connect these strategies into a repeatable routine that any Audi owner can apply daily to maintain sharp response over time. Now that we have explored the advanced onboard strategies available in modern Audi vehicles, it is time to turn theory into practice. Performance is not something you unlock once and forget. It is something you maintain over time through consistency, awareness, and correct interaction with the car's systems. Many Audi owners make the mistake of constantly changing settings, chasing impressions instead of stability. In reality, the vehicle delivers its best performance when it is allowed to adapt to a clear and repeatable pattern. The first step in building a daily performance routine is preparation. Before you start driving, make sure the car is in your preferred configuration. This includes drive mode, transmission setting, and the status of assistance systems. Starting each drive with the same baseline allows adaptive systems to recognize a stable reference. When settings change randomly from one drive to the next, the car struggles to learn and defaults to conservative behavior. Warm-up behavior is the second critical element. When the engine is cold, aggressive inputs are not recommended, but neither is extremely gentle driving. Excessively light throttle during warm-up reinforces conservative adaptation. Using moderate progressive throttle input as the engine warms allows it to reach optimal operating conditions while maintaining responsive behavior. The goal is balance, not restraint. Once the engine is warm, throttle input should remain intentional. This does not mean driving fast or aggressively. It means avoiding constant minimal input that sends unclear signals to the engine and transmission. Clear, decisive throttle movements help the systems understand driver intent. This keeps response sharp and predictable without increasing fuel consumption unnecessarily. Transmission interaction is another essential part of the routine. Leaving the car permanently in full automatic mode limits driver influence. Occasional use of paddle shifters or manual gear selection reinforces responsiveness. Holding a gear slightly longer during acceleration or using engine braking during deceleration teaches the transmission that the driver values control. These inputs do not need to be frequent, but they need to be consistent over time. Managing drive modes intelligently is also important. Many drivers either leave the car permanently in comfort or force dynamic mode all the time. Both approaches reduce adaptability. Comfort mode reinforces efficiency and soft response, while constant dynamic use can trigger protective smoothing over time. The most effective approach is using individual mode with performance-focused engine and transmission settings, combined with consistent driving behavior that supports those settings. Comfort and convenience systems should also be managed consciously. Running maximum climate control, seat heating, steering wheel heating, and defrosting continuously increases engine and alternator load. The engine management system compensates by smoothing throttle response. Using automatic climate control instead of maximum output allows the system to regulate load more efficiently, keeping engine response more consistent during acceleration. Electrical load management plays a subtle but important role. Modern Audi vehicles use intelligent alternator strategies that vary output based on demand. When many electrical systems are active at the same time, the alternator draws more power from the engine. Reducing unnecessary electrical load during driving improves engine willingness and consistency, especially in smaller displacement engines. Another key part of the routine is trip structure. Vehicles that are used almost exclusively for short trips rarely reach stable operating conditions. This keeps systems in protective modes and accelerates deposit buildup. While short trips are often unavoidable, incorporating occasional longer drives helps maintain system cleanliness and responsiveness. These drives allow adaptive systems to recalibrate under stable conditions. Consistency over time is the most important factor. Adaptive systems respond to patterns, not single events. Driving aggressively once does not change behavior. Driving intentionally over several days or weeks does. Frequent experimentation with settings prevents the car from stabilizing and leads to inconsistent results. Performance improves when the vehicle is allowed to learn from clear and repeated input. Expectations also need adjustment. Audi vehicles are engineered to deliver performance smoothly and quietly. Acceleration may feel less dramatic than in less refined cars, even when it is objectively strong. Evaluating performance based on response time, predictability, and consistency provides a more accurate assessment than relying on noise or sensation. The most important insight of this episode is that performance maintenance is not about constant intervention. It is about removing confusion. When the car receives clear signals from settings and driving behavior, it responds accordingly. When signals are mixed, it defaults to caution. As a final reminder, your Audi already contains the systems needed to deliver excellent real-world performance. You do not need tuning, tools, or modifications to feel the difference. You need consistency, awareness, and intentional use of what is already there. When you stop fighting the car and start working with its logic, performance becomes predictable and sustainable. If you want to continue building mastery over your Audi and learn how to apply these principles to any model or engine configuration, make sure you are subscribed. In the next episode, we will bring everything together into a complete, step-by-step Audi performance checklist that you can apply immediately and repeat over time.